So if you want to go ahead and make a size of an image smaller, that is resolution wise, then you can utilize this tool called ILoveIMG.com. So over here, let's just go around over here and let's say, for example, select out this particular image. So this image right here, let me just go ahead and check its properties. So if I were to go to the properties right here and then go to detail, you can see that it is 1280 by 920 pixels right here. But what I can do is I can go to Resize Image right here. You can even go around onto Resize Image from over here on the top, and then under More Tools you can see Resize Image as well. So simply go ahead and click and drag out the image right here, and now you have the option to go ahead and then change around the size right here. That is resize the image out right here by certain pixels. So this is what you have. So 900 by 1350. So you can maintain out aspect ratio as you can see, but if you don't mind the image being stretched, you can simply go ahead and uncheck it and then go ahead and type in the value right here. So if the image is smaller, you can even choose not to enlarge it out, because when you actually go ahead and enlarge an image, what happens is that the details are not added in. They just seem blurred out. You can go to percentage as well and just select 25% smaller, 75% smaller right here as you want as well. So you can go ahead and use a ratio right here, or you can even go ahead and see like how much smaller it will be right here. You can see the let's say, for example, the end pixel aspect ratio right here. So if you were to go around over here, you can see that I can now simply go ahead and resize out the images. You can even go ahead and resize out multiple images as you want. And once that is done, and you can see that you can go ahead and download out images, and as you open it, this is the smaller image size right here. So now if I were to go ahead and see its properties right here, so you can see that this is what you have. You can see it's 900 by 900 pixel right here, just like this. So that is basically how you can go ahead and resize out your image using ILoveIMG. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.